Yeah, I wasn't going to bother filming this one just because I wanted to, I don't know. But anyway, I might as well film it because I got a new Interpump. It's flipping brilliant. Power difference from what I started off to what I got now is bloody unbelievable. Oh yeah, that's it, Interpump. It's night and day what I started off with from the Crypt to Clean. Yeah, at the moment I still got this here, but I do want to put that sideways up against the door, then a longer one, water tank behind it, and have it as a permanent fixture. But I'm not quite ready yet, because I've got to go in hospital Monday for carpal tunnel syndrome operation. So I've had a bit of a go. This has just blasted her off so well. Look at that. This is what it was. You can see over there what bit I haven't actually got to yet. That's how it was. It's just so much better. It's blasting out. So anybody starting a business, pressure washing, all right, yeah, I suppose you should start small, then get bigger. But it didn't take me long to realise I needed to get bigger straight away. So for you doing it, sod it, just go big, just flipping get the proper stuff. So I got hypo. I didn't massively need it, but I said there are a couple of little spots on it. But if I put the hypo on, it's just going to kill the weeds underneath, isn't it, really? So that's going to help kill them off. I'll sand it straight away, and I told the customer if you seal it as quick as possible as well, then probably some of the sealer will sink into the joints, make the kiln sand go hard, stop the pesky weeds from coming up. Check out the power on this. Woo-hoo. That is so much powerful, it's unbelievable. Now that is a great added tool. Can't remember I bought it from Green Army, something like that. I don't know. Most impressed, especially with my new stick with the turbo nozzle on the end. This actually works. Last time I had my turbo nozzle out, actually, I might stick a little video up of it now, a couple of seconds worth. Yes, shocking it was. This one, friggin', gotta put my shoulder behind it to actually steer it. It's friggin' great. Right, well, it's pretty much all clean. I'm just brooming it off a little bit. Down to here. And my tank just ran out of water. Right, let's get the X-Jet on it now and kill all them damn weeds. All finished, sanded, and back to clean again. Happy days. It's a bit bright, but all looks good. So this is probably the last time you're going to see me for a bit, because I'm going in Monday for a carpal tunnel syndrome operation on my left hand, which has been doing my head in for about a year. So apparently I'm going to be off for 2 to 4 months, or up to a year if it's severe. And the worst part is, last time I saw the surgeon, he said it's severe. So I don't know how long I'm going to be off for, but I might do a carpal tunnel video, because my ankle video I did a few years ago for my fusion, that helped loads of people out. So if you've got carpal tunnel syndrome, upcoming video soon. Until then, like and bloody well subscribe.